guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm with Katie. It's gonna be a weekend in the life with me. We're about to go to Rush Bowls. It's really freaking cold outside, not gonna lie. And I'm really excited because I've never been to Rush Bowls. It's like smoothie bowls, so yeah. Okay, so we're back. I just want to show you guys my outfit. I have a Michael Kors bag, some Lululemon leggings, this jacket, I don't know where it's from, then this like cropped hoodie thing, even though it's not really a hoodie, I don't know, shirt thing. It's from American Eagle, and shoes are Adidas. Yep. So now we're about to film a video. We stopped by Lululemon on the way back, and yep. Hey guys, so when I showed you my OOTD, I think it was kind of blurry. I don't know if it was really dark, if you guys could see it. Plus I had my jacket on, so I'm kind of just gonna show you again. But, so, here is my top. Has a little hood in the back. These are my leggings. They're from Lululemon. They're like really cute. Yep, so that's just what I'm wearing. Alright, so it's later on now. I think I'm gonna try this sushi. My grandma got it. I've never had it. It has like mango, avocado. I think that's like a soy wrap or something around it. Rice. And then there's just, you know, ginger, wasabi, soy sauce. I don't know. I'm gonna try it. I usually get the veggie sushi. Okay. Taste test. Alright. Okay. Oh, I'm dark now. That's pretty good. I like it. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm gonna go meet my roommate for the first time, my future roommate for college, and we're going to go out to eat. We're going to a Mexican restaurant, and yeah, this is what I'm wearing. Hold on. So Lululemon leggings, yeah, a college t-shirt, and then this puffy jacket. These Adidas shoes. So yeah, this t-shirt's a little long. No, I don't know why it's really extremely long for some reason, but yeah, I was editing my videos. I was like, oh my god. Okay, back to I'll just edit that out. Okay, maybe. Okay, I know. Yeah, okay. I don't know how to. It would just be like when I introduce you. Yeah, I throw up peace signs all the time in the video. Okay. Hey guys, so we just went to a Mexican restaurant. We ate some good food. And we went to Target, you know, looking for some dorm inspo things. And this is Katie. She's my future roommate for college. Yeah. That's it. I haven't got used to like vlogging in public, so it's like really awkward.
And then you're late to my house.
Yeah. So this is Hobby Lobby. Just getting some inspo.
We should for sure get something that has a dry erase board. I like this. And then we can like write like, oh, we should get like a dry erase board calendar.
Yeah, I need a calendar. I use one all the time.
And like we should have something that has like both of our like sorority like schedules on it, so we like know where everyone is and stuff.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so it's later on in the night. I put on a mask. It's one of the peeling masks, so it's drying right now. So it's kind of hard to talk. But the kind I used is this Soap and Glory declog mask. Soap and Glory declog mask. Here's the box. It comes with like 2 little pods. I have one of the pods on, so yeah. So I use this to wash my face. It's like an electric brush. It's the Sony Clear Elite. I love it, honestly. I think everyone should get one. Okay, but if you can't get one of those because maybe they're a little expensive, I totally understand. When that one dies, like you have to charge it. So when the Sonic Clear dies and I just don't want to charge it, or I'm on the go somewhere, I use one of these little things. They're from Dollar Tree. You get like a packet, I think, of 3 or 4. They're really good. They're only $1. They have this soft side and then they have this like scrub side. So yeah, so if you don't want to get one of those, these work pretty good. So now I put on these puffy eye, under eye mask thing gels. I don't know. They're from Soap and Glory. Yeah, this is what it looks like. They're supposed to like reduce puffiness. Also, sorry I'm talking like this. I have whitening strips on. Now I don't usually do whitening strips that much. I do it like once, maybe every 2 months, or once every 3 months, even if that. I forget a lot, but the ones I'm using are Crest, you know, but yeah, you gotta be careful not to use these too much, or they can hurt your enamel. But they get the job done. They whiten your teeth. Just make sure keep your teeth healthy.